are implant customizable. So what are these custom implants? Implants are sort of a replacement for our own natural tooth roots. So they typically come in a root form. The standard implants that has been practiced most commonly across the globe are called root form implants. They are looking like the roots of our own natural teeth. These implants are stock implants. When I say stock implants, they come in specific lengths and specific diameters, that is specific width. So they come in various lengths. It can be 6 mm to 10 mm to 13 mm to 16 mm. Various diameters can be 3 mm to 6 mm, a wide range of diameters. Usually how we plan is, we take the scan of the tooth, we take the CBCT or the X-ray of the jaws and measure the amount of bone available and choose the most appropriate size of implant that is suitable for that particular jaw and for the particular tooth position. In custom implants, what we do is, for various reasons, we might not be able to use those stock implants on the patient's mouth. So then what we do is, the CT scan data, like what you see here, is given to the implant manufacturing company. They will design an exclusive customized implant which are made of titanium for that particular patient alone. So here there might be a specific requirement for the patient which is preventing us from using a regular implant that are standard available. So we have to customize the implant. So the bone condition might prevent us from using it, or there might be some defect in the jaw which will prevent us from using it. So we are customizing an implant so that it fits into the jaw at that specified portion. Still, as a surgical procedure, we need to open the gums and then place those custom implants inside the bone and then do, but implants can be customizable. So those are the typical custom implants which are done in certain unique conditions. Sometimes we can even print the implants or mill a titanium implants which are root forms. We can scan the roots of the teeth and then measure the size of the roots that are there in the CT scan. Say like this, we know what is the size of the roots there, and we can exactly duplicate that in a customized implants too. So that's also possible. So that's where custom implants come in. It's in a very new technology, expensive. Adaptation is little, it's in a very early stages, but with more research, with more development, sure, that's also going to take up this implant industry world by storm. Thank you. This is Dr. Arun here, signing off until next time from Pearls Industry. Bye bye.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.